Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a lovely Monday public holiday here, King's birthday public holiday here in Australia. So got me morning cup of brew. Beautiful temperature here in Darwin. It's like mid-June, so it's like our winter, and we're getting nice brisk mornings of sort of anywhere from 12 to 16 degrees, so it's lovely. But today on the channel, it's my first Ninco four-wheel drive with the proshocks. Lovely Mitsubishi Evo Rally Art. What do we got? Number 10 galley driver. So it's not a Mackinnon. What do we got here? WRC 05 Australia Rally. Oh yeah, cool. And this is probably my first ever that's fully sealed. So we even got to cut this one out of the box. So let me get that out. And I'd have to give a shout out to Pro Tinker Toys, Brian, YouTuber, looking for any slot car related goodies. They're great. In America, he's a real character on YouTube. So check out Pro Tinker Toys YouTube channel. So let's cut these little sealed stickers. Oh, I want to slice myself open. There we go. There we go. Look, that one's even still holding on. Good stickers. So there we go, out of the box. A little bit closer up. Lovely rims. You can see the shocks through there working. Let's get her off the plate. And I'd like to say hello to a few new subscribers. Henning, not so sure what country you're from, sir, but it seems like you're a European of some sort there, Henning Borg. So welcome to the channel, mate. Appreciate it. Appreciate anyone that spends a bit of time on my channel. I know there's so much YouTube out there, and there we go. Look at that, full drive. Got the Ninco NC5 motor running straight through. It's got a little bit of oiling on it already. You can see the brass bushings all the way through there, grabbing onto the shocks. So let me get my screwdriver and we'll cut her out of the box. Love the scoop at the top, rear wing, even got the little antenna. So yeah, it's got a lot of Australian sponsorship on it, Telstra. What else? Mitsubishi Motors. Yeah, no, so the major sponsor was Telstra. So yeah, let me get it out of the shell and let's have a look at these shocks. I've never seen them before. One screws. It's only two on this guy, one at the front, one at the back. Ninco sort of mix it up. Sometimes there's two at the front, two at the back. There we go, off with the shell. Quality interior, that's not falling out anytime soon. But there you go, here we go. So I've never seen that before, dual belts. Look at that, whisper quiet, well lubed. And look at these deadly little blue shocks. Unreal. I'm interested to see how this is going to go on the track. Hopefully that's focusing on the thing. All my wires seem good. Wow, that's an interesting little Ninco, that one. Dual belts. There you go. I have had the couple that I have got, that new Pirelli Porsche, has dropped the belt a few times. And I've had to just take the shell off and put the belt back on, but no dramas, but it was a bit loose. But one of the two belts should hold up real well. All right, put the shell back on and let's get it on the track. I'll leave a little bit of flex float on the body. I'd like to give a shout out too to the Slot Car Hub, new Australian channel, Shane. Man, he is a guru. That dude knows the ins and outs of pretty much every brand on the market. So if you're looking for some quality Australian slot car content, go over and see the Slot Car Hub. Alright, let's turn the track on. Let's reposition the camera a bit. I'll zoom back out. Hang on, press the zoom. Alright. Turn the track on, bind her up. Better move me coffee in case I crash into the coffee. Turn the track on. And I'm loving the new controllers. It's going to be hard now to go back to the wide controllers. I'm so used to these now and they're really good. So yeah, binding up, bound to the outside lane. Let me reposition the camera too, so we get the whole lap in the track. But yeah, man, she's hugged to the track. Man, that's great for out of the box. That thing is wicked. It just feels planted. I don't know if it's the shocks or what, but and that is probably the nicest Ninco out of the box I've ever had. Sort of just playing around on, you know, quarter throttle, half throttle. Man, that's wicked. Hopefully that's going to show up nice on camera. I'm thinking of doing a new track layout too, guys, so let me know in the comments what do you reckon. But I've got enough track now with what was donated to me by that lovely gentleman in Melbourne that I reckon I could do the whole Trackmasters layout. Famous track layout of Ninco's. I'll try and put up a screenshot maybe to give you a little look at the idea of what I'm thinking, but I think it'll fit on this layout of the tables that I've got. Let's move camera angles again. Man, that's a little beast. Go for a bit of side shot. Bit of Monday morning laps, you know. It's got like reflection on the windows too, like it's replicating the tint. That's great. But man, that's hooking on the track. Oh, there we go, it's deslotted first time. Yeah, showing a bit of dirt on my track there. I'm gonna have to give the track a good wipe over. Man, what a wicked little car. Wicked. Ah, also too, bit of a 3D printing update. So what I've got here, some stands. So I can put my mountain bike upside down and put the handlebars inside the slots there, and you're not going to damage your Shimano gears or any gadgets or cabling that you've got on top of your handlebars, you know. So you can do some tyre changes or whatever like that you need to do. PLA, took about, close to 3 hours for each print. Had a few little gremlins at the start because I didn't put supports in. Once I put the tree supports in, printed fine. But yeah, wicked. So guys, thank you for turning up to the channel again. It's been great new subscribers. Channel's growing, loving it. Loving a few comments you guys are throwing at me too. It's great to have a bit of feedback to the channel. So appreciate that, but let's wrap things up here. I think my dogs noticed the farmers are here today, so they're spraying. So thanks guys, see you next time. Cheers, bye-bye.